Oh, look at this Redring Active 320. So before you take the lid off, make sure you right on the low flow setting and at the stop. Just makes it easier for when you refit. So let's have a look. So you can hear the buzz, the meter's good. I'll check the element first. This is your neutral bar. It's the same neutral for both elements. So element number 1, 15 ohms. Element number 2, 13 ohms. So they're okay. There's your thermal cutout. That's electrically intact. So all that's okay. Here's one micro switch. As you heard, that micro switch is okay. There is a fault on here somewhere, but the second micro switch is here. I can't really do it with these ones, but so there's the fault, the solenoid valve, no continuity. So no continuity on the solenoid valve. I'll just pull these wires off, see how easy these are to change. So as you can see, when you touch them together, it should be buzzing. Touching these, nothing. There's like a coil of wire inside the solenoid, and that coil wire is split somewhere in the middle. So usually they just pull off quite easy. Really easy. You've got a little thing there that slots into the, so basically when you refit it, put it in roughly the same direction and it should slot into place and then reconnect up. But obviously this one's faulty, so I'll take it out. I'll do a video tomorrow on stripping it out.